What's up, guys? It's Professor Mompoint here, just making this quick video just about a new business venture that I have pursued. Everything still remains the same. Don't worry, guys, don't freak out. But I started something called Little Lab Learners. And a part of this, we sell early STEM tools, early learning STEM tools, such as flashcards, space kits, and cool configurable, nice science kits that kids can work on. We want to start them early. We know education is important. We have young scientists that are coming out making magnificent research. They are very intelligent, very smart. But if we want to continue the applied sciences and be able to help the future generation, we have to start at the very minimum, the very basics, right? The general sciences. So that's why I started Little Lab Learners, where there's different products that can be seen on this site. Again, just promoting early education and its importance. And then I also have another tab where I'll be taking tutoring. So tutoring services in biology, chemistry, mathematics, and any type of general education. So if you guys are interested, if you're a parent, if you are a student or someone that is homeschooled and need that extra service or that extra help, you can book it through littlelablearners.com. So I'm excited to start this new venture, and I hope to see you guys soon. Leave not likes in the comments. Leave whatever you can in the comments, any questions or just any discussions, side conversations, maybe something random. Say, hey, what's up? So that's all, guys. I want to see you guys in the next one. Peace.